Hello everyone, in the last video we have seen the system information, disk uses and the memory information. What are the commands responsible for that? In this video we are going to cover what is the packet management commands, what is the searching command and what is the user management commands. Okay. So if there is a Debian or Ubuntu system, then you are going to use apt update apt. Basically this is a apt is a packet manager which is useful for the Debian and Ubuntu system. And if it is a Linux, CentOS or RHEL, then we are going to yum command, because you have seen last time when I wanted to install anything, then we have used the yum command. So here you can see I just wanted to update this system, so I will type yum update, hit enter, it is starting, there is no dependency, nothing to do, right? So this is my Unix system for the Linux, Amazon Linux. So my yum command is working over here. Otherwise, if you have the Ubuntu system, then you use the apt-get. Then you have to write apt-get update. Then it is going to be updated. Here it is not going to work. So this is the only difference about the packet manager. That's it. Nothing else. Either you are going to use yum or apt or brew. That's it. BREW. That's it. These three are the very common one, and you don't need to think about more about it. Okay.